All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 4352, State versus Johnny Limon. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Melissa Alvin for the state.
And Eric DeWalt, I represent Mr. Limon.
And are you Johnny Armando Limon Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Johnny Armando Limon Jr., who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 4352 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram, on August 1st, 2023 for a period of 2 years and extended for a total of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, we're going to proceed on number 23. On or about the 4th day of December 2024 in Travis County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Armando Limon Jr., did then and there fail to comply with the rules, regulations, or instructions of the Bexar County Community Supervision and Corrections Department Substance Abuse Felony Punishment Facility Continuum of Care Treatment Plan, in that the defendant was using K2 while in the Austin Transitional Center in violation of condition number 23.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
And then lastly, Your Honor, number 4 on the amended.
Just one moment. I don't have a copy of the amended. Oh, here it is. Just 1 second.
Last night, right?
Did you review the first amended motion to revoke, motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney and understand that as well?
Yes.
All right, state.
In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Johnny Armando Limon Jr., did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of March, April, May, June, July, and August of 2025 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 23 and 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Did you understand that?
Yes.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to 23 and 4?
Yes.
Court will find 23 and 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is not, Your Honor. The state is recommending revocation, and I believe the defense is going to ask for something different.
Yes, defense.
And Your Honor, the probation's recommendation was the status relapse. From my client's actions, you could tell that he was in rehab and still using. He is trying. And then he knew he had a warrant out for his arrest. So one, we would ask that the status relapse be considered, or if you're going to sentence him, we would ask for the 180 days.
All right.
And Your Honor, may I respond?
Yes.
Given that his new cases, his new number 1s are brand new, at least as far as the new drug cases, we can't indict him on those yet. We don't have the lab results. He can't plead true or not, or he could plead true, not true, but he can't plead true to those. We can't work those out. And given that those cannot be worked out, SATIF or Safe P is not an option. So we're asking for the revocation.
All right. Anything you wish to say?
I know I messed up.
You want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Johnny Armando Limon Jr.
Yes, and you wanted to say something.
I know I messed up, Judge. I messed up bad, but I'm just asking if I can get like a second chance or something. Something I can just try to work with. I got a lot going on out there in the world, and I really don't want to go sit down. But I was asking for a second chance.
All right, so let me explain to you what your problem is. And not really what your problem is, but let me explain to you what your actions were and why you're here.
Yes.
All right. And I'm just not talking about the motion to revoke today. It's you were previously placed on deferred adjudication. The fact that your deferred adjudication was extended suggests that there were violations. And you have had previous violations before. And it was denied. And whenever someone has violations, if I'm going to continue them, I try to address those violations. So previously, you had a motion to revoke, violation of number 2. I denied it, altered and amended your conditions. And then you came back And there was another motion to revoke, and I denied it, and I ended up sending you to inpatient treatment. And now you're back here again, and you're back here because you're in the treatment facility and you have illegal substances there. I mean, there's nothing else I can do for you. So the court is going to grant the motion. The court will find you guilty, revoke. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, therapeutic community, and the court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question of that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
Here's the thing, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, when you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support system or a place to stay, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to place you in a treatment facility. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, take advantage of the therapeutic community that's there. All I can do is recommend it for you. It'll be in the judgment, but you have to ask for it too. I don't have any jurisdiction over the prison, so I can't force them to place you in the program, but it will be helpful to you if you're able to get in that program. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Hi.
So this was reset last time, so Mr. Moore could have an eval, and it didn't happen. There've been some mix-ups, but we've talked this morning.
Okay.
Either way, it's gonna be a plea, whether he's accepted or not, so I don't want you to worry about that, but we just want to make sure he gets evaluated. If he is qualified for Veterans Court, we'd like him to at least have the opportunity.
Well, here's the thing. If y'all do a plea, I'll ask for a referral to Veterans Treatment Court.
The second thing is he has a case in Comal, and I'm trying to get his attorney to talk to me on that one and see, because I don't want that to screw him up. If he gets veterans and then they end up taking him over there, we can get something worked out. So I just need a little bit of time to do that. Well, state didn't have any objection.
I just need a referral, Judge. If you'd like for us to evaluate him,
How long will that take?
we're booked. So as you know, with the new identification system in the jail, we got about 240 names. We're booked up to about the first or second week of November on assessments. I know. I just got told about the situation, or I would have been able to do something.
All right, so this is what I'm going to do. We're going to reset this before, we'll do like November 13th. You should have hopefully had contact with the other attorney. And then that's going to be your plea deadline date. And I'll do a referral to Veterans Treatment Court. Norma, recall this for November 13th. And that's the plea deadline date. And then a referral to Veterans Treatment Court.
And Judge, we'll do whatever we can to make sure we have an answer for you on that date.
You're so awesome. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
And then Ms. Abrams tell you about Miss Bright.
We're gonna handle that one too, Judge.
Okay, all right, thanks.
You're welcome.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
All right.
All right, where are we on discovery?
So this is an MTR case, Judge, and
Wait, I don't have the motion to revoke.
oh, do I? I'm sorry. You want that? You want the?
All right, so this is gonna have to come back at 1:30.
I mean, it's gonna be quick because I got, he's on an MTR and I have the complaint and I got the judgment that I provided to the state.
Okay, I'll have you all come back at 1:30. Who's next?
1:30.
Who's next?
I can't come back at 1:30.
All right, James Francis.